Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix Apple Music not working on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what we need to do, we have to just open setting, and from here tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that you are properly connected on internet and there is no connected VPN on your device. After this, simply open your app store, type your search, type Apple Music, tap here, and make sure that there is no update on this app. If there have any update, then update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then what you need to do, you have to just simply restart your device. A simple restart can many resolve issue. So tap on setting, tap your journal, scroll down, tap your shutdown, and simply restart your device for 20-30 seconds. And after this, check the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then go for other solution. The other solution is tap on setting, scroll down, tap here screen time, scroll down, tap here content and privacy restriction, and from here scroll down and tap here allow apps to request and enable to allow changes and enable all the apps and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then the last solution is uninstall your app and reinstall this and and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.